In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a string to an array 6 different ways. So the first approach is to define the str variable, set it to a string of, let's say, ABCDE. And now I'm just going to go str equals str.split by empty string. And finally, I can console log the value of str. The second approach is to declare a variable. Let's name it str2. We're going to set it to a string of 1, 2, 3. And now str2 is equal to the spread of str2 in an array. So now we can console.log the value of str2, and the result is obviously an array of single character values. Next way to convert a string to an array is, let's try str3. And here I'm going to say 3, 2, 1 as a string. And now str3 is equal to Array.from. And then I'm going to pass str3 here. Finally, I'll console log this str3. And as you can see, this is converting the string to an array. Fourth way to do this is declaring, let's say, str4, setting it to a string of letters. Now I'm going to say str equals Object.assign. The first one is going to be the array, an empty array, and the second one is going to be my string. Okay. And now I'm going to console log the result of this. And obviously this is also working. Finally, we've got two more to finish, and the fifth approach is to set a variable to a string, then assign Array.prototype.slice.call to that same string. And now we can console log the result. And number 6 is when you do let str6 equals, let's say, string, and str6 is set to Array.slice.call on str6. And now we can do console log on str6. And indeed, this is another legitimate way to convert a string to an array in JavaScript.